Thanks for checking in here on this Friday. It is June 16th, and we're talking about your tropical outlook. A couple of waves of interest in the Atlantic Basin that the National Hurricane Center is tracking, and looking at a continued severe weather threat across the central U.S., especially today and tomorrow, with that heat. Very extreme heat in the southwest building over the next several days. All right, so our first area of interest is actually at a moderate chance of tropical formation over the next 5 days over the Yucatan Peninsula. Also seeing a low chance of tropical development with a wave crossing through the central Atlantic now. So we'll just kind of keep an eye on that. Of course, it is officially hurricane season as of June 1st. Our severe weather threat again in the Midwest is going to be aided by some very warm and humid conditions. Temperatures in the central U.S. quite a bit above average, but the heat is really building now in the southwest, and it looks like it'll stick around for several days. Here's Wednesday of next week. We're still a good 15 degrees or so above average, with the extended outlook through the end of the month showing that the southern two-thirds of the nation will be warmer than average, whereas it'll be a little cooler across the northern tier of the nation. All right, so we have an enhanced threat for places like Omaha, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa today. Severe weather threats would include large hail, damaging winds especially, maybe even some isolated tornadoes. Then by Saturday from Kansas City, Missouri to Chicago, and then Sunday. It takes a little bit of a trip here to the eastern portions of the Great Lakes and into the Ohio Valley. So kind of an active next several day time period as an area of low pressure starts to develop here as we get into the next few days. In the meantime, it is very hot and dry in the southwest. A few showers and thunderstorms of the Gulf Coast states. There's the first round of severe weather redeveloping as we get into our Saturday afternoon, and then pockets of heavy rain within these thunderstorms, especially if they're training over themselves, but maybe some 1 to 2+ inch tallies, even some decent rainfall along the eastern seaboard. And our temperatures here today, again, ranging from 57 in Portland, Maine, to as warm as 109 in Phoenix. Look at this, though. By tomorrow, Phoenix, you're going to be up to 111 with hotter conditions yet this weekend.